start the Lumion, you will get this 4 point in top and side, and this first is language. Which language you want? I want to English. Okay. Now this all are sample. Okay, and this is very important, system speed. Look at that. I have a 3-star system speed. When I click, you will get, see, I have a 1650 Ti graphic card and its performance is up to mark. And this is 4 GB graphic card is up to mark. CPU score is little bit down, and CPU memory is down because I have 8 GB RAM with my laptop actually, because right now I'm with laptop only. And if I'm not with laptop, if I'm using with desktop, so I have 32 plus GB, so don't be worried about that. That's why we are just introduced the 6. When I click OK, now look, this is the first entire screen in front of me, and I created lots of project in Lumion. You can see over here, but I'll start from new. When I click new, you will get the 6 template. How many templates? 9 templates. And this template, it's just presets. The template is just preset, like this environment preset. Look, this is plain, the sunset, night, mountain, hills, mountain in spring, Iceland, desert mountains, and white. Okay, so I start from beginning and it's called plain. When I click plain, just to wait a few seconds, and within a few seconds you will get your screen in front of you. Now look, if you the screen has become a black, so just upgrade your graphic card if you are working with desktop. Either if you are working with laptop and still is black, so try to lower version. Okay, and in terms of that, you can also have a second option. It's very important, very useful. Like suppose you are working with any software, like maybe SketchUp or maybe a V-Ray, Revit or 3ds Max. So you have one option to just download from Lumion website, that's called Live Synchronizer. And just go down and you will get this one, V-Ray Live Synchronizer. This one, see the icon is same. And this live synchronize is just kind of you know about Nscape live synchronizer. It's just kind of that. When you click play, so your Lumion will be start, and whatever you're changing over here, it will be uploaded directly on Lumion. Because before that we don't have this icon, this tool, so we need again save and again export, again save and again export. Okay, but we have this Lumion synchronizer, but Lumion synchronizer is working with up to 8.3 version, and it's not working with 6. So if you are just installing till 9, 8 version, so you will get this thing, and whatever is over there I'll explain each and everything, so don't be worried about that. Now next part. So first part, how to navigate. I'll each and every whatever software I teach, I'll explain the first thing, how we can navigate. So just go to question mark. When you click question mark, you will get each and everything. Just click a photo. Okay, so look, the right mouse button allow to rotate using the mouse. You have a right click button, so you can easily rotate the screen. So how we can use right click and rotate along with this pointer. The second option, for move forward, backward, WASD, or move up, left, right. So I'm using WASD, WASD, and Q for up and E for down. Okay, press 5 for quick save, and press U for manual update project reflection and all, if you are using reflection and all, and this entire thing is editing and all. So now just go with that, and if you want to scrolling, just scroll. and just walk is plus W. See, if you are using W with space bar, so you are in walk. This is a drive. And if you are using with shift, that's called fly. So how many option you have for moving? The first one is W and space, walk tool, only W, drive, and with shift, fly. So you have a 3 mode. And if you want to rotate anything, just along with that, there's a camera point. So your original over there, this is the origin. See, this is origin point. Look at that. This another shortcuts. O, orbit camera. This is along with z-axis, along with x-axis. The shortcut always place on ternary, and this one is for confirm to model, and alt move model level and copy in the place if you want to move and copy, and the shift same height, and control to box selection. So look, I just click the object, and now yeah, see when I press alt you will get the copy, the first shortcut. Okay, the second one is z-axis. Okay, so I'll explain the each and everything, so don't be worried about that. Just select and delete. So just initially I start the thing how we can use and how we can control this entire thing. So first look, when I start the Lumion, you will get this thing. This is entire thing is layer bar. Definitely you can use this layer bar, and apart from that, if you are going to left hand side, you have a weather, landscape, material, and object. So you have this 4 option for working with live platform, and after you have this thing like you want to in built move or photo mode, you have a movie, and you have a My Lumion 360, and in fact you have a setting bar, so you can look the setting you want to work with which measurement. And editing resolution is 100%. Editing quality, you have a super quality. or this is Tarenti editor. So I'm just activate this one and just click OK. And always just start with belt only, because we are just belt, we are just creating. Okay, now the first option, just look, when I over here, the first option is weather. So look at the sun, you can easily see the sun. Click on weather, and when I click weather, you will get this four option. The first is north direction. When I move north, the sun direction will be moved up and down as per the north. And this is the top. You want to down, just go down. When it's going down, just rotate. See, your sun is here. Go down, go down. Look at the effect. And if you want to go more down, so you will get this night scene. And when I click down, you will find this one. See the sun. This is sun size, sun brightness, and this is cloudy. You want to cloudy, not much cloud. It's clear sky, bit of cloud, and type of cloud. So we have a type. I want to this one. I need this one. Look and rotate. Clear? So the first option is weather. Whatever you want to height of sun, the size of brightness, the cloud density, and type of cloud. And all this animated. So don't be worried about that. If you are using with walkthrough time, animation time, so you can do this thing like the less cloud, and if you want to more cloud, like that, it will be animated. In fact, you can also look. Look at that. Clear? Right? Any question till now? Anyone have any question? So you can edit the sun path. The next is landscape. It's very important. When I click landscape, you will get this thing. And yes, if you are working with upper version, so you will get this one advanced part that's called sky. And the sky is HDR, a high dynamic range image, HDR sky. So you can select the sky. Okay. And now next part is landscape, and landscape there is a height. If I click, click and drag, click and drag. Right? And this is brush size. I want to increase the brush size. And you want to down, we have a lower, just move and it will going down. See, it's going down inside. And for understanding, just move up so it will be look properly. It's going down. And if you want to flatten, just click, it become a flatten. This is brush size and this is brush speed. Or if you want to lower, it works smoothly. Jitter, just click, uneven, size. See, look at the difference. It's very useful. If I'm using normal right click, so it move around any direction. But if you want to move around this point, so just press O and then right click. So it's very useful. Orbit. Okay, and this one is smoothness. If you want to smooth, you can use easily smooth. And if you want to decrease, I just decrease. Look. The next part is I don't want to this material over here. So we have this option and last option. Just click and you can see I want to this one. When you click, you will found the two important thing. Or no, I need this one. You can you can choose the lens easily. Look. And if you want to zoom particular area, just double right click 2 times. If I want to here, just 2 times right click. You can nearby the object. Okay. Now next part is again very useful. I just create a rising, so just make it rise little bit up. In fact, increase the brush size. And after brush size, I want to water on particular area. Okay, so just click and drag. When you found here, just move down from this corner. Look, you will get the water, particularly, and it's animated water. Look, you want to move up, and we have a type of water: ocean, ice water, pond. Yes, pond is okay for us. Don't be stretch because I need till here, and yeah, I want to stretch here. And this software is level of detailing. Look, okay. And meanwhile, if you want to apply any object or you want to delete the projects, just delete. Or again another, you want different water over here, you can put. And go to landscaping, move up, won't be editable. Look, okay. And meanwhile, if you require any tree, so just go to object and this one, this tree. Look at the difference. If I press V, the random size. And if I'm not pressing V, it's equally size. Okay, and this is level of detailing. Look, that this tree detailing and this tree detailing is different. That's called a level of detailing, LOD, and it's using in gaming and all. Now again go to landscape, rotate, and you want to orbit particular object, just orbit. And you want to camera down, camera up, you have option. See. Okay. Now next part is ocean. You want to entire water. Just click. When I click and shift Q, it's going up. When I going up, look at that. Use water. Everywhere is water. Height. Look. This kind of ocean. Wind speed. Look at that. Color preset. And this is wave intensity. Turbulence. Wind direction. And you have two color. Whatever you want to use. Brightness. Color 1 brightness. Look. Okay, so just work on it till here. So what we cover today, the weather and some part of landscaping. So landscaping, height, water and ocean. And if you want to off, just off, it will be off now.